Hey, it's life with Paige. Hit that vibe and turn the page.
What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be opening the GAN 249 V2 2x2. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so of course we have the instructions and stuff and like how to solve it. And then we have the tensioning tool. And here is the cube that I've been waiting for. This is the GAN 249 V2 2x2, and I just got it. Click open. Hallelujah. Ooh, sounds good. Looks great. First turns. Okay, the turns are actually really good. It has a honeycomb in the corners, if you can't really see. Has some dots. The tensioning tool is great. And yeah. So what it looks like. It's matte, has the frosted on it. I love the GAN, I love GAN cubes. They're so cool. And I have another GAN cube. It's the 3x3. It's the GAN 14 maglev. I did a review on that. I will post it tomorrow. So yeah, these are GAN cubes are like the best, like for real. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh, and guys, by the way, tomorrow I will have another Rubik's Cube review. It's the Dianching mini 7x7 that like is the same size as the 3x3. So I'll be doing a review on that 7x7 tomorrow. And yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Hey, it's life with Paige. Hit that vibe and turn the page.